Happy Thanksgiving 2025.
First thing out is my
Happy
chicken.
Thanksgiving 2025. Happy Thanksgiving 2025.
My
Happy
chicken
Thanksgiving 2025. Happy Thanksgiving
spice. Now I'm gonna
2025.
pan
The
sear.
kitchen hums, the vibes alive.
I'm gonna
Candied
let that
yams and
gradually
collard
simmer.
greens, loves the flavor in between. We honor those whose hearts first knew this land before the ships came through. Their spirit whispers, give, don't take. That's the promise we still make. Auntie brought killed salad, nobody touched it. Uncle swore he's vegan to the ham, said trust it. Sugar in the magnum, maybe not, but loves the spice that hits the spot. Some folks pray long, some dive in quick.
Okay, welcome back, Sugar. Worked half day, now he's back. Period. He even helped out with the plantains when he got back. Sugar, thank you. Plantains all that, my favorite.
So I told the guy that, see you, guy.
This is what our fried rice is looking like. Now let's make some plantains. What I made for Thanksgiving: salad, rice, steak, chicken, plantains, and of course turkey.
Where's your phone this cloudy?
I don't know. I need to wipe my camera.
Wipe the camera.
Happy Thanksgiving, my love.